congratulations, you have made it to the final rudiment in this series. And this is a really fun one, and it's a little bit different. So you're going to start with your shuffle step heel. And then you're going to do a series of riffs. The first one going straight, the second one crossing, the third one uncrossing, and the fourth one coming back. And then you do 2 step heels. What makes this rudiment really interesting is that the rhythm's a little bit different. Your shuffle step heel's the same, but then the riffs are going to be, so you'll have shuffle, step heel, riff heel, riff heel, riff heel, riff heel, step heel, and that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So it's kind of fun. Those riffs get a little bit fast. If you're trying to work on building speed, it's a great exercise. So go ahead and try it. This rudiment is a little bit tricky. It has a whole series of riffs in it, and you have forward riffs, you have reverse riffs, you have crossing riffs. And the riffs are going to be a faster tempo than what we've done so far. You're going to do them with a triplet rhythm, a 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, with each of those counts being toe scuff heel or deep brush heel to get that in there. So you start with your shuffle step heel, just like we've done all along. Then you're going to do a forward riff with a heel drop, a reverse crossing riff, so it crosses over the supporting leg. Then you are going to uncross and do a forward riff, a reverse riff going back. Then you have a step heel. You have another step heel. Then it starts on the other side. Shuffle step heel, forward riff with a heel drop, crossing reverse riff, forward riff, back riff, step heel, step heel. So putting that all together, you're going to have shuffle, step, heel, toe scuff, heel, heel, toe scuff, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, toe scuff, heel, toe scuff, heel, toe, heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and shuffle step heel, toe scuff heel, toe scuff heel, shuffle step heel, toe scuff heel, toe scuff heel, shuffle step heel, toe scuff heel, toe scuff heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Shuffle step heel, toe scuff heel,